Good morning, kiddos. Miss Auda here. Today we are going to focus on math. This video is for my third graders. So let's go ahead and get started. Third graders, our standard for today is operations and algebraic thinking. You need to be able to use your multiplication and division strategies to solve word problems within 100, as long as the situation involves equal groups, arrays, and measurement quantities. You can solve these word problems by either using drawings or and equations with a symbol for any unknown numbers that is represented in the problem. Okay, so let's go ahead and practice that by playing a game called Splat. So the way we play this game is I will show you some shapes, okay? And you need to count them and say the total number of shapes. So in this case, the total number is 14. And then I will splat some of those shapes. And you have to guess how many are hiding underneath those splats. And the trick here is there are equal number of shapes under each of those splats. So if we started with 14, we're now left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you need to then think, how many are being covered? Well, the total number of being covered is 6 because 8 plus 6 is 14. But now there's two groups, so they divided the 6 into two groups. So that means if I divide 6 into two groups, there must be 3 here and 3 here. Okay, so there, down we look under, we have 3 there and 3 there. So what can we learn from this? Right? What can we learn from this picture? Well, I learned that 3 times 2 is 6. Two groups of 3 is 6. And that 6 plus 8 is 14. Or 14 take away 6 is 8. Right? Or 14 is made up by 8 shapes plus 6 more. Okay? Let's try that again. How many shapes do you see here? If I'm going too fast, you can pause so that you can count. All right. There are 19. Did you get 19? All right, let's splat it. You're only left with 4 shapes. So think about that. How many shapes in total are hiding? Yeah, in total there are 15 shapes hiding. Now, but there are 3 groups of them, so that means they separated 15 into 3 groups. What do you know about 15 and 3? What's the relationship? Well, I know that 3 times 5 is 15. So there must be 5 in each of these groups. Yep, so what did we learn from it? Well, 3 times 5 is 15. And that 15 plus 4 is 19. Or that 19 take away 15 is 4. So there's so many things we can get from just playing this game. So let's try again. How many are here? All right, ready? Did you get 14? Did you see that? There's 4 here and 4, so that's 8 plus 6 more is 14, right? Oh, they covered a lot and only left us with 2. So how many did they cover? Yeah, 14, if I go backwards by 2, so 14 take away 2 is 12. So that means there must be 12 in total. But they separated those into 3 groups. So what do I know about 12 and 3? Oh, well, I know that 3 times 4 is 12. So let's check. Yeah, there are 4 in each of these groups. So I have 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 plus 2 is 14. Oh, there's a lot here. You can hit pause to count. All right. Did you get 24? All right, ready? I'm going to splat. Oh my goodness, there's 5 splats here. Let's see how many are left behind? Well, let's see. There's 4, 8, 9. They only left us with 9. So what is 24 take away 9? Yeah. Or what is 24 take away 10? Well, that's 14. But they left us with 9. So there must be 15 there. Let's see. And then 15, they separated into groups of 5, right? So what do I know about 15 and 5? Oh, well, I know that 5 times 3 is 15. Yes. So what did we learn from here? Well, we learned that 3 times 5 is 15, and 15 plus 9 more is 24. Okay? Next one. You can hit pause to count. Did you get 22? Let's splat. Oh, they splatted 3 groups. So 22, and we're left with 7, and there are 3 splats there. What is 22 take away 7? Is that also 15? Let's see, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yeah, it is. And now what do I know about 15 and 3? Well, I know 3 times 5 is 15. So let's check. Yes, 5, 10, 15, and then plus 7 is 22. So what did we learn from here? We learned that 3 times 5 is 15, and 15 plus 7 is 22. Sorry, that was a little fast. There are 19 here. So let's go ahead and splat. Right? They only left us with 5. So if I count by 5, let's see, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So they took away 14 because there's 5, 10, right? 11, 12, 13, 14. They took away 14 to make this 19. Okay, so what do I know about 14 and 2 groups? Yeah, I know that 2 times 7 is 14. Let's see, so there must be 7 under here. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or we can say 5, 6, 7. And here's another group of 7. 5, 6, 7. So what did we learn? We learned that 2 times 7 is 14. And 14 plus 5 is 19. All right, so let's go ahead and try to solve some word problems involving equal groups. Just like our splats, there were equal groups there. So let's try this. If 8 plums are to be packed with 2 plums to a bag, then how many bags are needed? So you can hit pause to try to solve this, and on the next slide, I'll show you. So here we have 8 plums, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the problem says they wanted to put 2 plums in a bag. So here's a bag and 2 plums are inside of it. And they want to know how many bags will we need to bag all the plums. Well, if I'm just going to start putting 2 plums in a bag. Here's 2 plums in a bag. Here's 2 plums in a bag, and here's 2 plums in a bag. So how many bags did we need? We needed 4 bags. That makes sense because 2 times 4 is 8. or 8 divided into 2 groups is 4. Okay? Here's a bigger number. If 18 plums are to be packed with 6 plums to a bag, then how many bags are needed? So similar, but this time we're dealing with the number 18 and the number 6. So let's see. There are 18 plums, and I want 6 in a bag. How many bags will I need? There's another bag, and there's another bag. Yeah, I needed 3 bags, right? So if I have 18 and I want to divide it into groups of 6, I will need 3 bags. So 18 divided by 6 is 3. Or some relationship we can see is 6 times 3 is 18. All right, hope you did well, and I hope to see you all soon. Goodbye. Good luck.